talking about wellness convention here in Europe. The lineup of speakers, just information that's being shared, the insights that are being shared, the connections that are being made. And you don't get this in other areas within Europe. In one room, we have quite big players sharing really important insights and also being very available for everyone to do business with.
So it's really great to see what everyone else is doing. My cup is not too full. There's so much more to fill, and it's great to really come over here and learn from that.
I've made a lot of new connections here at the conference. What's so easy about being in the spa world is that we are friends that we just haven't met yet. And we have the same types of passions and understanding and heartfelt emotions. So it's real easy to make great connections.
My coat pockets are swollen with cards, and quite honestly, I've met some wonderful souls here, all aligned in the same mission and the vision. And I think that's the most wonderful thing, is that beyond this now, we'll have new friends that will be lifetime friends.
Really great content from the speakers, well thought out agenda, incredibly organized, and there's an energy. It's a really nice international and European vibe, a mixing of cultures, but at the core of your event is a love of wellness.